Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a vegetable and fruit juice. Very delicious. Okay, so first I'm going to pour my bananas, tomatoes, carrots, pineapple, mangoes, and cucumbers. Okay, then I'm going to pour in some water, just enough to blend the fruits. So I'm going to blend. Okay, I think this is done. So this is our delicious fruit and vegetable juice. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious, and I didn't have to put any sugar because the fruit is already sweet. So live, love, laugh, enjoy your juice, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen.